Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Exfoliation is an important part of skincare. It helps remove dead skin cells and scrubs the skin clean of dirt and grime. But before you reach out for those commercial exfoliators and scrubs, you can try this simple scrub at home. It's so simple and easy, using natural ingredients. This scrub is gentle on the skin, safe and economical. All you need are a few simple ingredients, and you probably already have them in your kitchen. Coconut powder. Vitamin B and vitamin C contained in coconut powder are natural supplements. Vitamin C containing antioxidants component and promote metabolism, avoid dark spots and freckles, and improve skin dullness caused by poor blood circulation, thus whitening skin to a certain extent. Vitamin E can promote the regeneration of collagen and elastic fibers and make the skin smooth. In this way, the whole skin can be kept white, smooth and stable. Sugar is one of the best natural beauty ingredients to exfoliate your skin. Sugar scrubs are mild and help remove dead skin. They also help rejuvenate the skin by cleaning all the dirt from the skin pores. With all the dead skin and dirt removed, the new skin is more radiant and you have a healthier glow. Sugar has natural anti-aging effects on the skin. It does not allow toxins to attack your skin cells, so it helps to slow down the aging process. Olive oil is packed with healthy vitamins, fats and antioxidants, and these components can contribute to healthier looking skin. It moisturizes skin by locking in moisture, and its antioxidants can help to improve signs of aging. Well, all we need is 1 teaspoon of coconut powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients together and apply it over your face and neck. You can apply it on your body too. And before applying it, clean your face with warm water. The warm water opens your pores and allows the exfoliation of the coconut to work its magic. This scrub totally exfoliates and moisturizes my skin and gets rid of all dead skin cells. It's really helpful for my skin. The scrub does a great job exfoliating and the olive oil leaves my skin feeling super hydrated and soft. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.